This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Autodaya. This is their 900-pound garden dump cart. Pretty heavy duty. It's got a plastic bed and stuff in it here, so you don't have to worry about metal rusting and stuff like that. A little bit lighter weight as well because of it, but still a good amount of capacity. This is a dump cart. I'll show you the dumping capacity over here in just a second. It's a four-wheel wagon. It steers basically as far as you want it to steer as well. Great for just a nice little yard cart to be able to carry things around, like wood, yard debris, tools, taking it from one place to another. So that's this cart. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first take it out of the box, and then we'll assemble it. I'll show you the features of it, and then we'll test it out after that. Alright, so when you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. So there is a little bit of assembly required. It's got all the steps and stuff, and an instruction manual and things along those lines down there as well. So that's very nice. I'm going to go ahead and get it all assembled, show you some of the assembly steps of this wagon, which shouldn't be too bad. It should just be some pins, and worst case, just a couple of nuts and bolts here and there. And then we'll test it out after that. Alright guys, it's got it all assembled here. Nice little garden cart. The back wheels are a little bit wider than the front wheels, which kind of helps with load capacity and stuff, since most of the weight's going to be on the back here. And then we've got a nice big handle here, so you can use both hands if you need to, if you got a bunch of weight in this thing. So basically, if you've got like an impact driver or something like that, this assembly process goes a lot quicker. I'll turn it on the side so you can see what you're kind of looking at here, assembly-wise. So, just a few like bolts right here, which I need to tighten up actually, and right here, there's a plate with 6 bolts that bolts to this top piece here on the wagon. And then that's mounted on these 2 pivot points back here in the back. So I got to do those. I got to tighten them 2 down there, but I'll get that in a second. But so turning wise, you can see you can basically turn it as far around as you want to, either way. And then pulling, it's got pneumatic tires, so you do have to make sure that they are pumped up and filled with the proper amount of air. But then if you want to dump something out, you just lift up this piece and dump it out like so. So that's very nice overall. I'm going to take it outside, put a few heavy items in it, just pull it around. Y'all see the dumping feature of it. So this is maybe great for like brush and yard debris and things like that, to haul it one place or another. Alright guys, so I threw some tires into the cart because I do lawn equipment work and can transport stuff like this around. So just to see if I could demonstrate the whole dumping aspect of it as well. But with, you know, a few pounds of tires in there, it pulls really well. The pivot points on the wagon are good as well. And, you know, as long as you keep your air in your tires, you'll be in great shape. So to dump it, you know, you just lift this up, dump it out like so, and there they go. So that's how it happens. Nice little dump cart there for your needs. Should work really well, and there goes the tire way down there, but that's all right. So you can see the dump portion of it works really well. Dumps very far back, and then once you get the weight to the back, you can even lift up the front of the cart in order to get it to the rear even faster and easier. Alright guys, that's everything on this garden cart. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this review. These are very, very handy to have around the house if you need them. You know, it's always good to have one of these around for odd and end things, and just for general transport of items. And then of course the dumping feature is a big bonus as well. With the slope back here, it should make it easy to dump and haul around up to 900 pounds pretty easily. So thanks again. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this review, found it helpful and informative, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.